Hey everybody, I'm Scotty Ogden. I want to give you 5 tips on how to prepare your home for fall. If you're a homeowner, I suggest you learn to protect your assets, and the best way to do that is to get ready for fall. I'm a home builder as well as general contractor, and I'm going to give you 5 good tips on how to prepare your house for the fall. Number 1, you need to clean your downspouts and gutters. You got to get those leaves out of there. You got to make sure you got proper flow and drainage to get that water away from your house. If the gutters are clogged, the water's going to flow over the edge, it's going to drain back into your eaves, and it's going to flood the inside of your house and potentially could cause some rot issues. And I always suggest, don't wait until the rain to realize that your gutters are leaking. If you knew they were leaking back in the spring, now's the best time to do it when it's dry. The glue does not stick to wet gutters. You got to get in there, peel the old glue out, prime it properly, and glue those seams. So number 2, roof inspections. And I always say that this is kind of a really good, easy thing to do. If you got a low pitch roof and you not have a risk of falling, go up there, make sure that the moss isn't accumulating. And if it is, you can use like a liquid detergent Tide and spread that on the top of the roof, just along the ridge there. When the rain comes, it's going to clean that moss away and keep your roof looking fresh and clean. And I suggest you do this biannually. And just so you know, if the roof is really steep, like for instance, like this house here, maybe hire a professional. I don't want people falling and getting injured. So hire a professional that knows what they're doing and uses the right safety protocols. Beautiful. And number 3, you gotta look after your heating system. You haven't had your heat on all summer long, so it's accumulated some dust, and you need to clean that dust away. If you turn that heating system on, you're gonna smell that strange odor. Well, that's the dust kind of burning. So you gotta get that dust out, blow out all your baseboard heaters, go into your gas fireplaces, get that cleaned out properly, change your air filter, or even get your furnace and air ducting cleaned by a professional technician. Number 4, you gotta look at your smoke and your carbon monoxide detectors. You might not know this, but because you've had all your doors and windows open, the smoke and carbon monoxide is just escaping out of the house. You don't know that your batteries have died. So I'd go in, test all your batteries, take a look at your smoke detectors. There's an expiry date on all your smoke detectors. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you have original smoke detectors from 1984, chances are they don't work effectively anymore. So go out to Home Depot or your local hardware store and purchase brand new smoke detectors that also have voice alert, just in case you want to keep your family safe. Lastly, number 5, you want to look at the landscaping. You don't want trees touching your house. You don't want the grass coming up on the edge of your siding. If you've got siding that's down here and the dirt is higher than your siding, the chances are the wood on the inside is starting to rot. So you really want to clean that dirt out. I suggest leaving 6 to 8 inches from the top of your foundation to the surface of your garden bed. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. See you next time.